An interface defines a contract that classes must follow, specifying a set of methods and properties without providing an implementation. It ensures consistency across different classes while allowing for flexibility and supporting multiple inheritance. Interfaces are useful when multiple unrelated classes need to share common behavior but do not inherit from the same base class. Interfaces promote loosely coupled design, where code interacts with abstractions instead of specific implementations. This approach enhances maintainability and scalability, making it easier to modify or replace components without affecting the rest of the system. Additionally, interfaces improve code adaptability, facilitate dependency injection, and support unit testing by allowing mock implementations to be easily substituted.